Morning to everyone. Myself C. Ajay Kumar. I am from CSEA section. My topic is government regulations on thermal pollution. Case study: Japan's regulation of nuclear and thermal power plant under the environment quality standards. Thermal pollution. Government regulations overview. Introduction. Thermal pollution refers to the degradation of water quality by processes that change water temperature. Governments worldwide regulated this to protect aquatic ecosystems. This presentation examines key aspects of regulations focusing on Japan's politics for nuclear and thermal power plants under the environmental quality standards, highlighting how regulation frameworks balance industrial development and environmental pollution and protection. Regulations on thermal pollution. Overview of thermal pollution. Thermal pollution occurs when industries discharge heated water into natural water bodies, disrupting aquatic life and ecosystems. It can lead to reduced oxygen levels and alternated species composition. Effective regulations requires monitoring temperature changes and setting limits to minimize ecological impact while supporting sustainable industrial operators. Environmental quality standards framework. Environmental quality standards establish legally binding limits on water temperature increases to preserve water quality. These standards guide industries on premises thermal discharge and enforce measures such as cooling technologies. Strict compliance ensure protection of aquatic environments and public health, with regulatory bodies conducting inspections and imposing penalties for violations. Regulatory agencies and enforcement. In Japan, regulatory agencies such as the Ministry of the Environment and the Nuclear Regulation Authority oversees thermal pollution control. They enforce environmental quality standards through inspections, monitoring and penalties. Their role ensures that power plants comply with strict temperature limits, prompting sustainable industry practice while safety regarding aquatic ecosystem for harmful thermal discharge. Nuclear power plants regulation. Japan's regulations of nuclear power plants focus on minimizing thermal discharges through advanced cooling technologies and strict operational controls. These plants must comply with strict limits set by environment quality standards to reduce thermal impact on surrounding water bodies, ensuring both environmental safety and adherence to national policy frameworks. Thermal power plant regulation. Thermal power plants in Japan are required to implement effective cooling systems and regularly report temperature data. Regulations mandate the reduction of heat water discharge and prompt technologies to mitigate thermal pollution. This framework balances energy production needs with environment conservation, reducing risks to aquatic life. Impact and compliance outcomes. Japan's regulatory framework has led to improved water quality near power plants and heightened awareness of thermal pollution issues. Compliance has fostered technological innovation in cooling systems and enhanced environmental monitoring. These outcomes demonstrate the positive effects of stricter standards on both ecosystem health and industrial responsibility. Conclusion. Japan's comprehensive regulations effectively address thermal pollution by setting strict environmental quality standards. The coordinated efforts of regulatory agencies and power plants have resulted in significant reductions in thermal impact, showcase a successful model of balancing instrument industrial growth with environmental stewardship to protect aquatic ecosystems. Thanks for giving this opportunity.